Hi, in this tutorial, we will see how to interface Digispark with LCD. The parts which are required are Digispark, LCD with I2C interface and some jumper wires. Basically, the connection between the Digispark and the LCD is shown in the image. Basically, the circuit are drawn using the freezing software. The only thing you need to make sure is the SDA and the SCL connection are correct. Once the connection are done, we can move on to the coding. The code for this example is quite simple. The only thing is that we need to make sure we are using tiny wire m.h, and also the addressing of the LCD are correct. Try to compile and see if everything works fine. If okay, we can proceed to download the program. When you want to download the program, please wait till it prompt to connect the board. Once you connect the board, they should show successful. And this is the demo video of our tutorial. Hope you enjoy, and please like and subscribe. Thank you.